Ooh, what's this?
Firecrackers! Let's light them! Wow, it's working! Look at the sparks!
Boom! This is the best!
He quickly called his friends, the elephant, lion, rabbit, and parrot, for a jungle party.
The elephant bravely lit the first firecracker, and boom! The lion jumped in fear, the rabbit ran in circles, and the parrot screamed like it was the end of the world. Ah! The end is near! We're doomed! Doomed! Then the monkey tried a rocket, but oh no, it went the wrong way! The elephant ran straight into the river. Splash! After all the chaos, everyone agreed, bananas are safer than firecrackers.